The unmapped IG error is one of the most frustrating issues Threads users encounter. This authentication problem prevents users from successfully logging into Instagram Threads by failing to properly link their Instagram account with their Threads profile. As of August 2025, this error remains prevalent across the platform. Current data shows that approximately 2 to 5% of Threads users experience this issue, with older Instagram accounts and users who have made recent profile changes being particularly affected. Understanding the technical causes helps explain why this error occurs. The problem typically stems from OAuth token mismatches, where the authentication credentials between Instagram and Threads become out of sync, or from failures in synchronizing user data between the Instagram and Threads databases. Now let's walk through the basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most cases of this error. These simple steps work for about 78% of users experiencing the unmapped IG error. Step 2 involves clearing the app cache on Android devices or offloading the app on iOS devices. This removes temporary files that might be causing authentication conflicts. The remaining basic steps include updating both apps to their latest versions, restarting your device completely, and ensuring you have a stable internet connection. These fundamental steps resolve the majority of authentication issues. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your unmapped IG error, don't worry. There are more advanced solutions and prevention strategies that can help, which we'll explore in the next section. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the unmapped IG error, these advanced solutions and prevention strategies can help you regain access to Threads and avoid future issues. First, let's explore advanced solutions for persistent errors. These methods address deeper authentication and synchronization issues. The most effective advanced solution is complete Instagram reauthentication. Log out of Instagram entirely, clear your browser cache if using the web version, then log back in and wait 10 to 15 minutes for system synchronization before attempting to access Threads. Additional advanced solutions include network troubleshooting. Temporarily disable any VPN connections, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and thoroughly clear your browser cache. Check Instagram's web version for account restrictions and contact Meta support as a last resort. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Maintain consistent login credentials across all devices and avoid frequent username changes. Keep both Instagram and Threads apps updated to their latest versions. Use stable internet connections and avoid logging in from multiple locations simultaneously. Regular account maintenance, including monitoring your account status and keeping recovery options current, helps prevent authentication issues. Looking ahead, Meta is working on comprehensive solutions to eliminate these authentication issues. They're developing deeper Instagram Threads integration and planning a unified authentication system by 2026. Enhanced error diagnostics and automated recovery systems are also in development. These improvements will significantly reduce unmapped IG errors and provide a smoother user experience across Meta's platforms. Remember, when basic troubleshooting fails, these advanced solutions can resolve persistent errors. Implementing prevention strategies will help you avoid future authentication issues entirely.